Hey guys, so today we will be comparing both the new release of the MAFEX 075 Amazing Spider-Man and the older one. So the most noticeable difference between the two is that the newer one uses a metallic sheen on the blue parts compared to this one that uses blue but has a shade of metallic black. So I think they done it right, copying from the box art. And another difference is that the newer one has a definer web line, especially on the head part, since the older ones looks faded. And that's the most noticeable difference between the two. And another one is on the shoulder. This shoulder is supposed to be on the back part of the older one. As you can see, the shape are different between the two. This has the point and this one is soft rounded. There. If you look at the back of the older one, you can see the pointy part. There. I'm not sure which one is correct between the two, but on the MAFEX 108, the comic paint version, it uses the same with the new version. But on the Ben Reilly release, it uses the same as the older release of this 075. And as for the accessories, there's nothing much new, but except the head. The newer ones has a better skin tone compared to the older one. This looks pale compared than this one. And the last difference or new thing that has been added to this is the peg holder or the hand holders. This is very important so that you won't break your pegs, and these hands shrink over time, so these pegs would help you. So I don't suggest you removing it from the peg holder or the hand holders. And as for the box, it has the authentication tag that is the same with the Venom release. So this is the 3 Spider-Man that has been released by MAFEX, the original 075, the newer version, and the comic paint. So between the three, I think each one fits different on your display. I think the older one fits with Marvel Legends, since the Marvel Legends uses gloss and matte figures, and this newer one fits MAFEX X-Men line, since most figures from the X-Men uses also metallic shade, and the comic paint, which fits some of the newest release of the Marvel Legends, which is the VHS figures. I think that's what they call them. So between the three, I think this one stands out the best, the newer one, since it is accurate from the box and the metallic is very eye-catching for me. But the older one doesn't look that bad. I think I still prefer this on some displays and some photography shots, since the metallic on this one is very overwhelming. So here's a comparison for the Venom and the Spider-Man. And this is the older Venom and the newer one, which has the matte finish. I think between the two, the older one fits this one, and this one, the new Venom, fits the older Spider-Man. So there. I think the overshaded blue fits the metallic, the harsh metallic on this one. And the matte finish on this one fits the matte finish on the older version of the Spider-Man. So if you have both, they're better displayed that way, but we all have our preferences. So there you go. And another thing, if you're bothered by the height of this Venom, you should just put the shoulder up. So some people display this way, so just put it up, and there you go. You won't be bothered with the Venom height again. So there you go, the MAFEX 075 Reissue. I think personally, I like this release, and since it is easier to get currently, but soon I think this will get out of hand since orders from HLJ have been cut. So if I were you and you like this figure, get him as soon as possible. If you need to spend a little higher than the price that is offered, get him before it gets skyrocketed like this one. So that's it, the MAFEX 075 Reissue. So what are your thoughts? I think I like the older one, but this one, the metallic shade on this one looks very cool. I haven't tried on photographies, but I think it would look cool. So that's it.